Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. Today's video is with a company that I have worked with several times in the past, and I really do love their hair. Their wigs are really good for beginners. They're super beginner friendly because they are pre-bleached knots and pre-plucked hairlines. So honestly, when you get the wig, you can literally just style it straight out the box with not having to do much of anything. So all I did was add some lace tint spray. I did use my Ebin lace tint spray. You can get this off of Amazon. I did the lighter shade first. This is the light brown. And then I just added the medium brown literally right at the edge of the hairline. I find that this really works a lot better for me, doing the light shade first and then the darker shade on top. It tends to blend to my hairline a lot better. I don't know why. So then I went ahead and used my Got To Be gel. I put that on my forehead as well as my hairspray. I used my Yellowbird blow dryer to go ahead and dry that down. If you guys want to check out those products on Amazon, there will be links in the description box for that. I went ahead and placed the wig on my head, and you guys, this wig literally fit me perfectly. All the way down to the ear tabs were perfect. I didn't even barely have to cut anything. So I love the shape of this hairline that the wig came with. Like, this wig is just so straight out the box fire. Like, I don't know how else to describe it. Like, the shape of the hairline is dope. It has a lot of like indentations, like up and down, and it's just not like that perfect circular looking, crazy looking hairline. Like, their hairlines are just bomb. The size of the cap that I get is medium, and I have an average size head, and these caps literally fit me perfectly. And just look how seamlessly, like, it just blends into, like, it just melts. It's so crazy. Like, I love this. I love Donmily's hairlines for their wigs. It's just bomb. So let me give you the specifications of the wig that I'm wearing. This one is Donmily's 13x4 Jerry Curl Bob lace front wig with baby hairs, and it's 150 density. The length that I got is the 14 inches, and that is $107.
That's good.
So once I was really happy with how it was looking, I went ahead and added a little bit more hairspray before I tied the hair down. Now, to tie the hair down, I went ahead and used my Ankara baby hair scarf. I do sell these. I make these by hand and sell them on my website at gleemade.com. If you'd like to grab yourself one, I'll be more than happy to make you one. So once that was well secured down, it was time for me to go ahead and moisturize this hair, make these curls pop, and get the hair to my liking. So I went ahead and added my, what is that, Carol's Daughter leave-in spray. It's my favorite leave-in spray. Well, not my favorite. My favorite is actually the Pie Shoe Something to Believe In. But I'm really running low on that one, so I'm reserving that one for only my natural hair. So for the wigs, I've been using the Carol's Daughter leave-in spray, and that is the black vanilla. And when I tell you, it smells like something you literally want to eat. It smells amazing. And then in the green bottle, that was literally just a water bottle. So that's just regular water. And then I scrunched the curls up just to make them pop a little bit. Now, I was hoping that these curls would be a little more curly than this. But, you know, this is the way the curl pattern looks once you activate the curls. So I would say this one is more like a water wavy type of curl pattern as opposed to a super, super tight curl. Either way, it's really, really beautiful, and I like how it came out. So I went ahead and just combed back the hairline. I didn't end up doing any baby hairs on this one, you guys, just because I thought the hairline just looked so bomb, like the way it was. I didn't really feel it was necessary to do baby hairs, and I am of the baby hair camp. Like, I love me some good old baby hairs, but I didn't even end up needing to do it this time or feeling like it was necessary. So I just went along with my contour powder along my hairline. I just used a small brush and my contour powder that I use for my face makeup. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all I did here to blend the hairline. And I'm really loving how it came out. So once I got the part to where I wanted it to be, I went in with my L'Oreal mousse. This mousse you literally can just get from, you know, your local beauty supply store, your CVS, your Walmart. This mousse I think is $7, and it's like one of the best mousses I've ever used. That's why I just continue to buy it, because it's literally bomb. I made sure to smooth down the parting area and smooth down the top of the hair so that I could get a nice sleek look at the top. And then I did the same on the other side of the part and just molded the hair to where I wanted it to be. You guys, this one was so easy to style. It literally was effortless, and I just love the outcome. I did a couple other styles towards the end, so make sure you keep on watching to check those out. So you guys, overall, I'm really happy with this wig. This wig is super effortless. It's so beginner friendly and it's dumb affordable. Like, I don't have any downsides to this wig. It comes pre-bleached. It comes pre-plucked. You don't have to do any work, literally, but spray some lace tint and literally lay down the hairline. Like, what more could you ask for? So yeah, I'll leave a link down below where you can go ahead and grab this unit from Donmily Hair. If I didn't answer your questions, please leave a comment and I'll be sure to get back to you ASAP. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for watching. Share this video and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.